Hey guys, we're learning a lot about solving equations in this unit, and we're going to go over a couple of special cases. Sometimes x does not equal just one number. So in my first example, I have 3x plus 8 on one side of the equal sign, and on the right side I have 3 times the quantity x plus 3. My first step that I would do for this equation is the distributive property. 3 times each term in the parentheses. So you end up with 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 3, which is 9. And then that brings up something pretty interesting. I have a 3x on both sides of the equation. I don't know what x is, but nevertheless, 3x on one side of the equation, 3x on the other side of the equation, those values are equal to each other. So how can 8 more than whatever this number also be equal to 9 more than that same number? It can't. So in this case, as the buzzer tells us, there would be no solution. In the second example, on the right side of my whiteboard, I have 2x plus 6 equals the quantity, 2 times the quantity of x plus 3. So my first step would be to do the distributive property and do 2 times x and 2 times 3, which is 6. And now I have another interesting case. I have 2x plus 6 equals 2x plus 6. Well, I have exactly the same thing on the left and the right. That means that any value that I want to substitute in for x, whether it's 1 or 100 or a billion, no matter what I choose, the equation is always going to be true. And if it's always true for any value, we call that infinite solutions. So sometimes you get lucky and you don't even have to go all the way to the end to solve your equation. Sometimes you can either have no solutions or infinite number of solutions.